Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Notepad++ into your computer in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? You just simply click on this Google Chrome browser and then going to search for Notepad++ download. Click enter. After that, you will get this website called Notepad++ downloads. So if you click on this website, and then you will get the download version over here. The most updated version is download Notepad++ v8.7.5 stable auto update triggered. So we're going to download it. For that, we're going to click on it. And then there will be the download option. So we're going to click on the download. And as we can see, the download is completed. The exe file is downloaded. So we will going to click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission and going to minimize the website. And now here we're going to select the language. If you have any other preferable language, then you can simply select them and then click OK. After that, you can see welcome to Notepad++ v8.7.5 setup wizard. So we're going to click on next. Click I agree. And then click next another time. And from here, you just don't need to change any of this. You just simply leave it as default and then click next. And after that, create shortcut on desktop and click install. And after a very short time, the installation is completed. And now if you click on finish, the Notepad will be opened into a computer. As you can see, the Notepad++ is open into a computer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to minimize or clear them all. And if you want to create a new file over here, what you can do, just simply click on new. And before that, you just need to set save as where you want to locate the file, and then you can work with this Notepad into your computer. So this is how you can download and install Notepad into your computer in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.